The last thing you want to do before you seam it to your head is to stuff it. I like to tuck in my tail into the center. Then I will break up my stuffing into very small pieces and start stuffing it in. Keep breaking it up into small pieces and break it and stuff it in. While I'm stuffing it, I'm using my hands to mold it into a shape that I like. So I'll put my finger in the center and then use the other ones to mold it. In terms of the body, I like this part, the very start, to be a little bit flat versus in the head where we like it to be a little bit round. I like the body to be a little flat so it can stand up. So I'll keep molding it that way. So I'll keep just putting tiny little bits in and mold it and keep molding it. And you want to do it until it feels to your liking. I don't like mine too tightly overstuffed. I don't want to push this apart and see my stitches. So I keep molding it and stuffing it all at the same time so I get the shape that I like. So for me, even though the head and the body start the same, I'll push this part down with my thumb so it'll be able to stand up. When I was doing the head, I like it more round. You can see how this one will be flat and this is more round, even though they're used basically the same. When I get it to the squishiness that I like, then I'll go and seam them together.